Welcome back. It's that part of the show when Hormuz joins us to tell us about some big movers yesterday, those backed with volumes and some with delivery as well. Hormuz, take it away.
Morning, Nigel. And yesterday's theme over the last hour or so were the capital goods names that saw a very, very sharp sell-off in those final few minutes of the trading session, be it BHEL, ABB, L&T, Siemens, all of them seeing losses of anywhere up to 11% for BHEL. And if you take a look at the volumes as well, significantly higher in comparison to its 20-day average. BHEL had close to 5 crore shares that were traded. ABB had 7 lakh. Siemens also had around 6 lakh shares traded. All of them were higher than their 20-day average. But the delivery volumes though for BHEL, out of those 5 crore shares traded, 1.5 crore were marked for delivery in terms of the delivery based selling. For ABB as well, around 3 lakh shares were marked for delivery, and for Siemens as well, almost close to 3 lakh shares were marked for delivery. So anywhere between 40 to 50% of the trading volumes were marked for delivery on these capital goods names. TCS was one such name that was underperforming right from the start of the session, even before the sell-off began towards the later part of the day, and it was among the top contributors to the Nifty fall. Volumes on Thursday were the highest in a month. We saw delivery-based selling worth over 750 crore yesterday. 42 lakh shares were traded. The 20-day average of 20 lakh shares, so around 2x its 20-day average. And on the delivery front as well, 23 lakh shares marked for delivery, twice the 20-day average of around 12.5 lakh shares. And the stock is now back to its very important support levels, which is at around 3,200 rupees. And lastly, the exporter names, Gokaldas, Avanti Feeds, Apex Frozen, all of them seeing losses of anywhere between 8 to 9% yesterday. Backed by volumes, yes, because the volumes were higher. Not so for a lot of those shrimp feed names, because Apex Frozen's volumes were less than its 20-day average, but the delivery volumes were higher in comparison to the 20-day average. So Gokaldas fell on strong volumes, but the other two had not so significant volumes despite the fall that they saw in yesterday's trading session.
Got it. All right. Thanks a lot for that, Hormuz.